come and carry out the activity. We had waited for long. I was like, one gentleman while we were working in Kawanda was like, hey, you mean you are going to NUP to collect blood? I said, yes. Blood of Honorable Chagulanyi can save General Muhoozi. Blood of General Muhoozi can save Honorable Chagulanyi. Meaning, it does not care which party you look at, which environment you live in, whether you are cultural, whether you are religious, whether you are poor, whether you are rich, blood connects all of us. And we are so humbled to be in your serene environment. Everybody was telling me that it's good to be here. We always in the dust on the street, but this environment has been so good, and your people are so welcoming. They have really welcomed us well. One of them said that we will invite you for Kabeja, but I said that I first want blood, because I first want, because that's the mandate I must fulfill. When blood is scarce, each of us will be on tenterhooks, including the auditors of government. I appreciate this great initiative that you've started. Let me hope other people will copy. We've been always with government, collecting blood with government, under Prime Minister's program, under other forums, but we've not had an opportunity. This is the first opportunity we had from the auditors of government. I don't want to call you opposition. I said auditors of government. Okay, this is the greatest opportunity we've had, and it's going to be legitimate. Even other institutions are going to organize the same. That will always help us to minimize the scarcity. I believe in January, somebody else should also come up and mobilize the people at their headquarters and also collect blood, so that we make it available and we minimize the death of mothers in this country. Currently, we have a lot of mothers that need blood, and we lose a lot of lives.
Today, we also took part in this blood donation exercise. And like I said, I believe that this is the most Ugandan thing that one can do, the most patriotic thing that one can do. The greatest act of love this season is to share your blood, because that blood, as a matter of fact, if it's excessive, it helps you to reduce it. But that blood that you reduce from your own body is a great, great, great life-saving asset to somebody else. So let's donate blood. You never know when you or your loved one needs it. It doesn't matter your tribe, your gender, your political affiliation or anything. Let us donate blood. And it's on this note that I'm challenging all political parties, NRM inclusive, because your blood can save a life of an opposition leader, and the opposition leader's life can save the opposition leader who support our members. Blood can save you. So let us donate blood. My blood can save you, your blood can save me. Of course, waliwo omusayi gwe bayikuwa ne gutukutamiiza naye ebyo kambireke.